Hi, I'm Paul with Modern DriveLine. We have some support elements here we want to share with you. On the far left is a Willwood pedal set. It works well with our hydraulic systems that we offer for clutch solutions, as well as holding a master cylinder. So if you've got a custom firewall or a full-on custom build, that might work for you. If you have a factory application you need a clutch pedal for, Modern DriveLine also offers those. Here in the center we have shown for our Mustang and Falcon clutch pedals. We offer a variety of them, so be sure to check in with us for your clutch pedal needs. Not always do you have to replace the brake pedal. Here next to me is drive shafts. We offer them in steel, carbon fiber, and aluminum. Of course, you can see here we have drive shafts shown in aluminum and carbon fiber. All of our drive shafts come complete with the slip yoke to fit the models of transmissions you choose, as well as U-joints and balanced and ready to install. Down on the bottom we have a variety of cross members. On the left is shown some purchased cross members, and in the center and beyond are Modern DriveLine produced cross members. We do make a lot of our own components, so if you are looking for something specific, be sure to inquire.